Surah Al Hamazah, the slanderer. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 9 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ويل لكل همزة لمزة.
Woe to every slanderer, backbiter,
الذي جمع مالا وعدده.
who amassed wealth and counted it,
يحسب أن ماله أخلده.
thinking his wealth will make him immortal.
كلا لينبذن في الحطمة.
Certainly not. He will most certainly be cast into that which crushes.
وما أدراك ما الحطمة.
And what do you know of that which crushes?
نار الله الموقدة.
The ignited fire of Allah,
التي تطلع على الأفئدة.
which will rise over the hearts.
إنها عليهم مؤصدة.
Indeed, it will be closed over them,
في عمد ممددة.
in towering columns.